Thiko cia muici ciiragwo ni mirongwena cia Ekuirwo aya cinikirire gicukiro-ini kia mirigo mwena wa Mombasa thutha wa maabitha kuma Ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti unyitaniri-ini na honge ingi kuhithuria biacara ciao cia magendo. Container 43 cihithukirio na njua na ngothi mugaru na riboti iria irandikithitio na wabici ya ungania wa magoti ati container ici irakuite migeka yerekeirio bururi-ini wa Amerika no uhoro wacoka kubuka ati mirigo eno ikwerekeirio bururi-ini wa Nigeria ta uria mutafariri wa mihango gicigo-ini giki Joseph Tunui aratariria.
It was an export consignment which was misdeclared. We checked our export document. The description given is mats, like the doormats, you know, the mats that we use in our homes. But after opening today, you are able to see that they are raw hides and skins.
Ekuirwo atatu nimaikitio ngono gukirikana muoroto wao urari gwithema kuriha igoti ta uria ari mutaratara.
In terms of the assessment, in terms of taxes forgone, the estimate is about 75 million. In terms of the taxation regime for raw hides, there is an export tax because the country would like to encourage manufacturing sector. And therefore, we have a lot of tanneries in our country in which the raw hides are supposed to be, you know, manufactured slightly to add value.
Maabitha ya maugite marakunyirwo kiria kirathiaga na mbere o riria container ici iraingirire gicukiro-ini kia mirigo. Ekuirwo aya makirikana kugeria guthararia uthuthuria na njira ya kuruta mahaki. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.